Hi everyone, welcome back to Practical Organic Living. Today we are going to show you a really easy lemon dessert. So I don't know if you recall, but last year we did a taste test of our very own New Zealand lemon with Meyer lemons. And from that video, we actually talked about how this would be a really good option to use in desserts because it's low in acidity and it's really quite sweet. So today we're going to show you how to make a lemon panna cotta. A lot of times when people think about panna cotta, they think it's really difficult to make, but it's actually the most easy dessert to make. It's really forgiving. You don't really need any technique. Okay, so we're gonna get started. So first I'm going to get a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So we picked these lemons from our tree yesterday. So with this panna cotta dessert, the flavor of the lemon really comes through. I'm just gonna squeeze it into here. Okay, so here I have a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So I'm using the gelatin powder to make the panna cotta. So instead of using water, we're using lemon juice. So you need a full packet of the gelatin and then just pour it into the lemon juice, stir, and then let it rest for like 5 minutes and allow it to bloom. So while this is blooming, I am going to get some zest. So we need about 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. So I feel like the lemon zest is really a key to this recipe. And it really adds a lot of the lemon aromatics to this panna cotta. So you don't want to omit this step. So these are the ingredients you need to make the lemon panna cotta. So you need heavy cream, milk. This is a lemon juice with the gelatin that we just bloomed. And then sugar, lemon zest, vanilla extract, and then this is the confit lemon that I made earlier yesterday. So to make the confit lemon, it's really easy. All you need is just water, sugar, lemon juice, and the lemon slices that I just sliced earlier. So I am going to now get like a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So to make the confit lemons, we're gonna add the lemon slices into water and then bring to a boil and let it simmer for 10 minutes. And then we'll drain off the water. And then after this step, we're gonna combine the water, sugar, lemon juice, and then add the lemon slices and bring everything to a boil. And then we'll let this simmer gently for about 20 minutes or until the consistency is slightly syrupy. And then we'll let it cool down. So now I'm going to take all of these and then add it to the pot. Milk, lemon zest, sugar. We're gonna bring the mixture to a boil and stir to dissolve the sugar. So stir occasionally to make sure that the milk doesn't scorch. Okay, so I think the mixture is ready. It's starting to boil. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat. So the gelatin's bloomed fully. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna add the gelatin mixture. Also adding the vanilla extract. Okay, we're gonna stir. So here I also have some glass molds that I use for the panna cotta. I'm using this as a container because it's much easier to transfer them all together into the fridge later after I sieve the mixture. So I'm pouring this through a sieve. So now I'm gonna take saran wrap and put it over and then just put this in the fridge. So we'll let it set in the fridge for at least 4 hours. So we'll come back in a few hours to put the dessert all together. So it's been 6 hours since we put the panna cotta in the fridge. We just took out the panna cotta and then now we're gonna assemble the dessert and then give it a try. Yeah, I'm taking a slice of lemon. So I'm putting it in on top of the panna cotta, and then you can add some of this syrup and then enjoy. So I'm gonna dig in, get a little bit of the lemon. The lemon is really soft, so it's actually pretty easy to cut through. Okay, I'm gonna try it. The panna cotta is extremely creamy and smooth. It's not overly sweet. And you can taste lemon in every single bite of the panna cotta. So if you have a lot of lemons and you don't know how to use them, you can give this recipe a try and let me know what you think about this recipe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll see you next time. Bye!